This was our first trip to St. Thomas. We went and checked out the mountaintop and had the banana daiquiris. We also went out to Magens Bay, and then we had some amazing food before we got back on the ship.
Check these little trolleys out that we get on. This is really cool.
It's about a 30-minute ride from downtown Charlotte-Amalie to the mountaintop.
We're going to the mountaintop first. We're going to get that banana daiquiri. You excited for the banana daiquiri, or are you excited for the beach?
Banana daiquiri.
Banana daiquiri.
We have Marshall, education, and Coast Guard office downstairs. The building is upstairs. We're proceeding to the other half.
The trip up to the mountaintop was beautiful and amazing. Look at those views.
There's the sign and welcome to mountaintop.
Chas can smell the banana daiquiri hustling down the hill. This is one of the most elaborate gift shops I've ever seen on a cruise tour or in a cruise port. This is huge. I mean, you might as well call this a mall. This is awesome. And they've got banana daiquiris. I think a banana daiquiri is a little different. That's like banana flavored tobacco. Banana daiquiri. You said there's going to be a line.
Nobody else is into drinking at 9 o'clock.
Hey, hey, hey. Here we go. This was the point of the tour right here. The banana daiquiri. Let's go. You can pick any of those beautiful colors. They come in Pilsner, they come in Hurricane, and they come in your regular 8-ounce right there. That's that, baby.
We need to get this for Moonlight.
Yeah, Moonlight Adventures colors, and I figured you like that one. Don't forget tips. The world famous banana daiquiri in a Pilsner. Let's go. What a view. Magens Bay below us. The Antilles out there beyond us. So beautiful. So we have made it to the mountaintop. We have the daiquiri. Now, the true test. What do you think?
It slaps.
It slaps. It's a lot of rum.
It's a lot of rum.
It's a lot of rum.
You don't even taste the banana. Rum.
It's a lot of rum. It is. It has rum in it already, and then he, for as much as we've already drank down, that was all a floater. Very, very good. Very worth it. Not even that much. I mean, this was $17.95. You get to keep the cup, but now we're going to let you enjoy this view. I'm going to show you what it looks like here.
With daiquiris in hand, it was time to head to Magens Bay.
All right.
Very good. How many ounces was it? We figured that out. 21 ounces. 21 ounces.
21?
21. This is top 10 in the world of prettiest beaches. So excited. Look how beautiful. In between both of these two peninsulas, beautiful blue water. So amazing. Look at this beautiful water. It's not super crowded. I mean, you would think, it is a little early, but it's not super crowded. Oh,
So good.
perfect temperature.
It really feels really good.
Yeah, it does. What do you think about Magens Bay? We've only been here 5 minutes, but
I think it's
wow. Beautiful. So pretty. Giving you a 360 right now. I'm going all the way around. Bar menu for you. Nice little bar area here. Beautiful. Nice view. And come on down. You've got a restaurant as well. And of course, they're always going to have a souvenir area. So here we go. There's your menu. First drinks at Magens Bay, and I'm hiding Chastity's face. Where's she at? Where's she at? Where's she at? I'm kidding. There she is. Leatherback Brewing Company, Beach Life Blondale. It looks kind of, I like that. It's beachy.
Blonde.
Check that out.
Ale.
I like my blondes. I really do. I like a blonde. What are you drinking?
Any Clara?
She don't have one for each hand. Sorry, Garth Brooks.
No.
She does have one. So chairs and umbrellas, $20 per person per day. So it's not very crowded here, but over there to the left, when you come in, is not crowded at all. You'd be all by yourself. And then if you go all the way to the right, it's also just not crowded at all. So word to the wise, but you will not be close to the bar that's right there, or
The bar or you
the
can
shower
get chairs.
areas right there, or chairs.
Yes.
From How About Them Dogs, Georgia boy. Go see Kelly Henderson and get your chairs. $48 plus tip, chair and umbrella.
$3 plus tip.
$40 plus tip.
Yeah, I gave him $8 tip.
Yeah, $40, and then we gave an $8 tip. So $40 for a chair, 2 chairs, umbrella, plus tip, $48. We might be walking funny, but we've been drinking at this bar and we've had a banana daiquiri.
It's
And
not fucking funny.
it's the current. I swear it's the current.
It is the current. We're not drunk.
This is so amazing.
The waterfall's perfect.
So pretty. Beach number 1 on our grand tour. We've been here all day. The weather's been great. Now it's starting to rain a little bit, but it comes in and out in the in these islands. But
It has been amazing.
it sure has. So St. Thomas, Magens Bay, Discovery. It's called something like that.
Discovery
Pretty boy.
Island. Pool,
Discovery Island.
and
tour.
Magens Bay.
Yeah.
Discovery
So good.
Island Tour and Magens Bay.
What's been your favorite part?
All of it.
Yeah.
Nothing, all of it.
I wish we could have spent more time on Mountaintop. That's my only complaint. Mountaintop was
We
really
got 30
cool.
minutes.
But Magens Bay, fantastic. Now it's time to head to Shed 2 at 12:10. We out. We getting back on the Rhapsody, baby. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Number 1. All right, folks. Like I said, can I get your stairs to the alley? Jewelry, clothes, shoes, coffee shop.
So this is the last part, and they just basically brought us back to the port, but that's okay. We're going to do some shopping, get us some souvenirs, and somebody's hungry. See. So I want to find some conch fritters. What are you looking for?
Anything.
Anything?
Anything at all.
Any food at all. I think we're going to go maybe check out this over here. There's like a Dutch windmill. This is the Zanzibar at the Crown Bay Center.
Look, I'm a Caribbean reverse bulldog.
That's cool. So we're in here in Island Flavor. They claim to be the best venue with the best menu. I think they might be right. The bar atmosphere is good. Look at this food. Look at that. So I got glazed salmon. Chas has pork tenderloin.
Rice, mashed potatoes.
Man, it looks amazing. I can't wait to dig in. Here we go.
Inside a casino.
Yeah, there's a casino right next door too. It's pretty awesome. So let's see how this food is.
Oh my god.
Curried. It's good, right?
No, that's so good. So tender.
I have tasted this sauce somewhere. It's like a mango kind of flavor. So good. So good.
It was time to get back on the amazing Rhapsody of the Seas. After a great day at Magens Bay, wonderful banana daiquiris at the mountaintop, and some of the best food we've ever had at Island Flavor, it was time to head to our next destination. If you enjoyed this video, click the link above for more cruise content.